XRP, the fast cross-border payment token from Ripple Labs, once struggled under legal pressure and exchange delistings. But now with regulatory clarity, spot ETFs, and huge institutional interest, XRP might be on the verge of a comeback. In this video, I'll break down everything about XRP, latest news, price action, utility, where you can safely buy it, and whether it's still worth investing in 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back to Preyo Promo, the channel where we explain crypto fundamentals, real news, and investment insights without hype. Today, we're diving deep into XRP, Ripple's flagship token designed for fast, low-cost cross-border payments. We'll cover XRP's origin and utility, recent price performance and headlines, regulatory developments, where you can buy XRP safely, pros, cons, and whether it's a smart investment in 2026, so make sure you watch till the end. 1. What is XRP and why it exists? XRP is a cryptocurrency created by Ripple Labs and runs on the XRP Ledger, XRPL, a decentralized blockchain designed for ultra-fast transaction settlement, low-cost, and global cross-border transfers. Turn Zero Search 12. Turn Zero Search 30. The XRP Ledger uses a unique federated consensus mechanism that lets transactions settle in about 3 to 5 seconds with fees that are significantly lower than other blockchains. Turn Zero Search 12. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, XRP was pre-mined. All 100 billion tokens were created at launch. Most are held in escrow and released monthly to maintain predictable supply. Turn Search 30. 2. Price history and recent price action. All-time high. XRP's highest price ever was about $3.84 in January 2018, early in the crypto bull market. Turn Search 12. Current price. XRP is trading around $190-$230 in 2026, reflecting market volatility, but also institutional accumulation and renewed interest. Turn Zero Search. Turn Zero Search. Over the past year, XRP's price has shown strong yearly performance compared to many Layer 1 competitors, even though it still stands below its all-time peak. Turn Search. Recent rallies, including a 3.5% surge after Ripple's 2026 roadmap, demonstrate that traders and investors are watching XRP closely. Turn Search. 3 recent news and major headlines. Regulatory milestones. SEC lawsuit resolved. The U.S. SEC officially ended its long-running case against Ripple, requiring a fine but dropping major appeals. A huge relief for XRP's regulatory status and market confidence. Price spike. XRP jumped more than 8% after Ripple's CEO announced that the legal battle had ended, showing how much regulatory clarity matters to price action. Institutional and infrastructure progress. Spot XRP ETFs and institutional flow. XRP now has regulated spot ETF products that have garnered over $1 billion in combined assets under management, drawing institutional capital into the market. Regulatory framework. Global efforts like the pending Clarity Act and broader crypto regulation normalization could help push XRP adoption as a payments infrastructure asset. This blend of regulatory wins and institutional participation is a major theme for XRP in 2026. If you're enjoying this deep dive and want honest crypto insights, hit like and subscribe to Preyo Promo. I break down news, price trends, and real signals, not hype, so you can make smarter decisions. Comment below. Are you bullish or cautious on XRP in 2026? Now let's look at where you can safely buy XRP. 4. How and where to buy XRP trusted platforms. Here are some of the most trusted exchanges where you can safely purchase and hold XRP. 1. Coinbase. Beginner-friendly. Strong U.S. regulatory compliance. Excellent security infrastructure. 2. Binance. High liquidity. Lower fees. Global availability. 3. Kraken. Solid reputation for security. Longer track record in the industry. 4. Bitstamp. One of the oldest exchanges. Good for long-term holding. Safety tips. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Use cold wallets like Ledger or Trezor for long-term storage. Never leave large holdings on exchanges. Link these trusted platforms in your video description for audience convenience. 5. Pros of XRP. Fastest settlement times in crypto, cross-border in seconds. Extremely low fees compared to legacy banking and many blockchains. ODL, on-demand liquidity. used in real remittance corridors, measurable usage. Regulatory clarity helps institutional adoption. Spot XRP ETFs opening the door for traditional investors. XRP Ledger upgrades are expanding functionality and DeFi NFT potential. 6 cons and risks. XRP's legal issues have historically limited US adoption, though much of this has now been clarified. Price volatility remains a major risk for retail investors. Institutional adoption isn't guaranteed. Depends on global regulatory frameworks. XRP is highly influenced by Ripple's strategy and legal landscape. 7 famous supporters and notable interest. While XRP doesn't have celebrity endorsements like some meme coins, it has institutional and strategic backing. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse continues to be a vocal advocate of XRP and its utility. Analysts from banks like Standard Chartered see potential for significant upside if regulatory clarity and ETFs gain traction. Global leaders in crypto regulations and finance have referenced XRP in national digital asset strategies. What this shows is that XRP's backing is more industry and infrastructure-driven than celebrity-driven, which can be a sign of long-term utility. 8 final verdict. Is XRP worth it in 2026? Short answer. XRP remains one of the most unique and practical cryptocurrencies, with a real use case in cross-border payments and increasing institutional appeal. With regulatory clarity and ETF support, it's positioned for potential growth. But it still carries risk, especially from market swings and supply unlocking events. Bullish factors: fast payments and low fees, institutional entry via ETFs, regulatory clarity in major markets, XRP Ledger innovation. Bearish risks: price volatility remains high, depends on adoption from banks and institutions, still carries legal legacy risk. If you're investing with a long-term vision and diversified strategy, XRP is worth watching, possibly even accumulating strategically. Thanks for watching this XRP deep dive. If you learned something new today, hit like and subscribe to Preyo Promo for real crypto research and honest analysis. Comment below. Are you adding XRP to your portfolio this year? Why or why not? Tell me what crypto topic you want next. DeFi, NFTs, Ethereum scaling, or Bitcoin halving analysis? Stay smart, stay research-driven, and I'll see you in the next video.